Good night, and swift my return. Only with passion shall your heart burn. Oh, and this to ease your weight.
Morning slowly bleeds its way through a dark night's flesh, so as to lay the moon down for its rest. For all that rise must surely fall, as did my sad heart after all. Good night, sweet moon. Good night.
I met a girl.
Could you imagine? I met a guy.
What do you know?
You met a guy.
The girl from last night.
You got that right. So what's he like?
What you expected. You know your angel of light. Oh, but she's more than just that.
He's a dream and a half.
Honest and pure, you know she didn't hold back.
Tried to resist him, you usually do. This time it was different, he's something new. Deep dark eyes,
Passionate soul, skin so soft I couldn't let go.
it was love.
Love,
It was love.
love is what it was.
Love.
Love, love,
So passionate, sweet.
she makes me complete. It was love,
Love.
love.
Love at first sight.
She will be my wife. It was love. Wait, come again. Did you say get married? Well, no, not yet, but I know she's the one.
Sarah in love, who would have thought it? And more than that, love at first sight.
Come now, stay calm.
You
Hardly but know her.
My God, you're right, that's why I'll see her.